we as engineers here are a very young lot. Our median age for the team here is about 28 years. Working from here, we get challenged by local members of the Kenyan community, tech community. So it's really, really amazing being back home. We like the support that we get, the challenges that we get to experiment. We like making impact from right here in Nairobi, our motherland.
Let me ask you, I'm sorry, it's not an interview. What do you think we should be doing differently or better with our curriculum in terms of the TVETs and also maybe at the university level? Do you think we're doing it right, or do you think there are areas where we can improve?
I think we are heading in the right direction. A lot of the engineers that we have here went through the computer science program. Technology is truly the future of the entire planet. The curriculum that we have currently does train engineers to get ready for the work environment. I think what we can improve on is probably provide a wider platform for engineers, even in rural areas, to be able to have the same skill set that everyone across the city has.
What kind of suggestion would you give to me on the big pool of students we have in our TVETs? Is that a place where you think we can build some capacities, engineering capacities, or do you think it should be at the university level?
Your Excellency, can I take that one?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I'm currently planning to work with top 3 universities in Kenya to run or structure an internship program. That will be our starting point to make sure that we attract the young talent in Kenya.
In addition, Your Excellency, in April this year, together with the Minister of ICT and ICTA, we announced an initiative called AWS Academy. The original intention was to run it with 10 public universities. But then because of the special place of TVETs, we are actually rolling it out to public universities and TVETs as well. And this will now raise the overall quality of engineers that come out of TVETs.
Because when we went the route of TVET, it was out of the realization that